What's up, America? Neil here with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. Check it out, guys and gals. We got some new swag in. This is our new zipper hoodies. It's got our logo on the chest, and then it says Geauga Firearms Academy down the arm. So check those out. Down a bit. Let's get down to business, guys. So this is the Lynx Defense brand. This is their range bag, and they have a wide variety of bags, medical kits, the whole 9 yards. So check them out. But let's take a deeper look inside the features and everything of this particular bag. This particular setup here is their customized series, I guess, if you will. The stitching and stuff like that, different things that you can do with the bag. We're going to look at all the compartments here in just a second, and all the quality components. I want to point out one thing, the zipper brand, by the way, it says Ideal. I didn't know anything about Ideal, never heard of them, but it turns out they're the second largest manufacturers of zippers in the world. So really made a good stuff, and of course this one is made out of Cordura. Being that this is customizable, the colors are all customizable, the interior colors are customizable, the stitch threading is, the color of the stitching is customizable. Right off the rip when we start, let me close this up. You get a nice dual zipper here with a pretty heavy duty handle there, so you can grab one and just unzip both of them at the same time. And then you've got an additional Velcro, and that closure is, I mean, it's so tight. I got a 1911 and some extra stuff on here, and just that alone keeps it really closed. So between the two zippers and that, this is not coming open unless you wanted to. So come here and take a closer look. Let me just move this guy out of the way here. So inside here we've got the blue color, and you can see it's kind of like this diamond pattern. I'll give you the exact type of material this is, but it's a ripstop type material. Let me give you the name on that. It's called 300D Diamond Stop Ripstop material. So I don't know what the hell that means, but I can tell you it has a really high quality feel to it. You can tell by the stitching and everything in here. It is extremely heavy duty. It's also, I know you can't feel this, but this side of the inserts are padded, okay? And they're very stiff. I don't know if there's like a plastic or cardboard or some type of insert in here, but it's extremely rigid. There additionally, I'm going to rip this baby apart here, there's Velcro in here on both sides so that you can place this wherever you want. So you can make your compartments different sizes, different dimensions. And let me just... man, that Velcro is tough. Take one of these out so you can see it up close. Again, there's the interior, the stitching. You can see on this side here, we've got some mags. This is a full-size Glock 17 mag with an extension. I got a metal M&P mag in here. Well, here, why not, right? Just rip it out. So there it is. And there's another slot, so you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 on here. So you can have at least 10 mags that are all in their own little compartment. And then let's get this completely out of the way here. All right. Now you can see the whole compartment inside. You can see the Velcro here on both sides. I like these because when I took them to the range, I found that they kept the bag open, and even if there wasn't a bunch of stuff in it. So let's just stick one of these in. Again, that's not going anywhere. You could put mags and stuff in here. And the reason I grabbed this 1911 is obviously it's a full-size 1911, pretty big-sized gun. And on these pouches here, whether they were designed for or not, that's what I was doing with them. I was just taking the gun and sticking it in there. And then you can see even with the 1911, you're still able to zip up the whole bag, and no issues there. So you can fit some pretty big-sized, heavy guns in here, no problems. Then again, that flap is on both sides, so however you want to place your firearm, different configurations, whatever you want to do. It's completely customizable inside as far as moving the stuff around the panels. Once you have these in here, as I said, and it's a good thing, they're kind of hard to get in and out of because they definitely have very strong Velcro, but that's what you want once you're all set up in there. But once it is set up, once this is all zipped up and everything, it's got a very stable structure to it, so it's easy to get stuff in and out. You can just reach in and grab stuff. If you got bags on top, it keeps its rigidity. So let's keep moving around here a little bit. It's got a very nice shoulder strap. I just unzipped this just to show you. This is a padded Velcro pad that goes on there, so you can have that when you got heavy load there. You've got your removable, and these are, they may look like plastic on film, but this is a metal. That is a metal clip. It is very, very heavy, as are the D-rings. These are also metal as well. These are not plastic. There's nothing cheap on this bag, I can assure you. Then we go inside here on the side panels, the little side openings here. A large compartment. You can put whatever you want. For me, I'm usually putting my staple guns. For some reason, I always like to put my staple guns in my sticky notes on that side. Same thing on this side, so you got dual compartments on both sides. Again, if you try to show you this on camera, the bottom, I'll just do it this way. The whole bottom of this, listen to this. Okay, it's one solid piece down here. So as you can see, if I press down on here, it will not, you can't really compact it. It's all solid. It's almost like you have wooden compartments, if you will, right? Separated little compartments you can put stuff on. So the bag feels very rigid. Now on the side of the bag, we've got this zipper here. Okay. Now this is the one feature, I'll be honest, I haven't used because frankly it almost kind of seems too nice, to be honest with you. But inside here, we've got this, might want to back up a little bit. This is a cleaning pad. So that'll open up. It's a really good size. I'll show it to you here on the ground. For a reference, there's a 1911, so you could fit several different guns on here, clean all your guns, whatever you're gonna do, and put it back. Like I said, the only issue I have with this is it just seems so nice. I don't want to put oil and crap on here, but very, very nice. And then you just fold everything up, roll it back up into its own little compartment there. Obviously you still have plenty of room. Look, I can put my whole hand in here, so if you wanted to put some extra cleaning stuff in there that you're going to use, that would be ideal for that. One of these days I guess I'll break that baby out and get it dirty, but haven't so far. Other than that, that's your bag for you there. Really high quality stuff, good zippers, good materials. The stitching is all very heavy. When you pull on everything on here, everything feels very tight. A high quality bag from Lynx Defense. And most importantly, if we didn't talk about it earlier, you didn't see it, it's made in the US of A. A couple other things with this pad. As I said earlier, you got a nice pad for a strap here. You can also adjust this to different lengths. We already said this was made in America, but specifically it's made in North Carolina. It does come with a lifetime warranty, and this is definitely an extremely high quality bag. One other thing too, I didn't mention just a moment ago, it does have a little quick access bag. These are great for putting stuff that you need real quick, you know, band-aids or batteries or whatever the case is. Sometimes I'll throw screwdrivers, stuff like that, something I need to get to relatively quickly without going through my bag. So I really love those inserts like I was showing you guys, and you can buy additional inserts. This one they come with 2, but if you wanted more than that, you certainly could. One concept is you could have, this bag could really hold like probably 8 to 10 guns. If you wanted to buy the inserts and just have each one just the width of your gun, if you had to carry a bunch of guns to the range or whatever, that'd be kind of a cool idea as well. But there's pretty much, you can configure any way you want, and there's endless possibilities of where you can go. These guys also make rifle bags, so if you're looking for a good quality rifle bag with high quality materials, again, the Cordura material, you can't go wrong with Lynx Defense. I'm very, very impressed with their product. Alrighty guys, I hope that was a cool review for you guys. If you're in the market for a bag or you're thinking about it, definitely check out Lynx Defense. They've got some really cool stuff, no matter whether it's rifle or medikit or anything in between. You know where to find us on YouTube, obviously. You can find us on Facebook. We're tweeters now, we're twitting every time, so you can find us on Twitter. Of course, we put our A-list stuff on Patreon. Until next time, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.